Hi, I'm Tom Keary, and I'm the Automated Operations Manager here at Titan. Automated Operations Manager oversees the drone program. I supervise our Part 107 pilots, plan our missions, I work with our equipment vendors, and I work with the sales team to ensure we're meeting the needs of our clients. What makes me excited about drones and security is the ability of this technology to be flexible, to give us opportunities to put cameras where we haven't before. I love this technology. I see it as a potential game changer. It is a force multiplier that is going to allow us to redeploy our people and other resources in the most efficient manner while giving our customers great service by reaching areas we wouldn't otherwise be able to reach with other cameras. We are the first private security company to get a nationwide beyond visual line of sight waiver from the FAA, which means we can put these drones anywhere in the country and then operate them from our security operations center here in Overland Park. Drone security is a big deal because not only can we put cameras where we couldn't before, but they're mobile, so people know that they have the ability to be followed by these cameras, which adds a greater psychological effect on deterring people from being on the property. AI will allow us to identify people versus animals, be able to identify vehicles, and then even follow a person all the way through a property. The future of drones and security, I think, is going to be big, and we're at the leading edge of it. There are policy changes coming from the federal government that'll make it a little bit easier for some of these other companies to get involved, but by then we will already be well established in the market and a leader. I really enjoyed talking about drones and security with Titan. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please visit tpcsecurity.com/drones.